Look at this enhancer.
You know, I am so proud of the quality of the gemstones that we use in American West jewelry, and I know our collectors are too. I mean, you don't know what you're getting into when you work with rough material, when it's, coming from Mother Nature. Look at the cobalt blue, just
Yes.
amazing polish on these gemstones. I mean, when you look
Look at
at
that.
lapis, Native Americans refer to it as the heaven stone because it's got little flecks of pyrite in it that look like,
Right.
the sparkling, stars in the midnight sky. And look at the size of these and the interesting shapes. There's a soft kind of trillion, bold trillion at the top, big bold
Mm-hmm.
oval, elongated oval. I love